Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're learning essential body parts and health phrases in Korean, the kind of vocabulary you'll actually need if you're ever feeling under the weather while visiting Korea. Here's how this lesson works. I'll say each word or phrase in Korean first. Listen carefully, try to match it with the English meaning on screen, and then repeat after me out loud. Speaking along is the fastest way to make these stick. First up, let's learn the names of common body parts in Korean.
머리, 눈, 코, 입, 귀, 목, 어깨, 팔, 손, 손가락, 배, 등, 허리, 다리, 무릎, 발, 얼굴.
Now let's put some of that vocabulary to use. These are phrases you'd need at a doctor's office or a pharmacy in Korea.
머리가 아파요. 배가 아파요. 열이 나요. 감기에 걸렸어요. 약 먹었어요. 알레르기가 있어요. 다쳤어요. 괜찮으세요?
Now here's a quick travel tip. Korean pharmacies are everywhere. If you're not feeling well, you don't need a long explanation. Just walk in and say what hurts.
머리가 아파요.
For a headache,
배가 아파요.
for a stomach ache, and they'll help you out. That's it for today's lesson. Practice these words a few more times, and I promise they'll start to feel natural. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.